Welcome back. In this task, you are going to identify your customer's frustrations or pain points. In UXPressia, there are the spaces that are usually demarcated in red so that you can pay attention to them. Usually, if you can solve these pain points for your customer, you can improve their overall experience with your brand. So let's dive in. As usual, you can uncover customer pain points by paying attention to what they say in an interview. You may also use other ethnographic research methods to observe and study your customers and identify problems they didn't know they had. So I'm going to write my customer pain points or my customer problems for the research stage of the map. I have a file that I've opened here, which during my research, I compiled different problems my customer faced at different stages. During my own research, it's not every stage that the customer encountered frustrations. I'm going to start adding my customer frustrations to this map now. To do so, I'll click on this button and create an unordered list or a bullet list. Then I'll start typing. Earlier, I showed you a file where I displayed my compilation of frustrations my customer faces at different stages of their journey. Now I have filled it into the map. You'll see I identified some frustrations like too many cars to select from, insufficient information about cars to make a purchase, unresponsive salespeople discouraging purchase, long wait time for model of desired car, and insufficient responses to queries when buying a car as frustrations under the research stage. In the consideration stage, I didn't identify any frustration or pain point for the customer. But under the test drive stage, I also identified some pain points which I outlined here. In similar fashion, I outlined different pain points along the customer journey up to the purchase and delivery stage. I didn't identify any pain point for the after sales stage. So, your own research might lead to different sets of conclusions, and you might have pain points in areas that I haven't covered in my own map. I leave that as a challenge to you. What will you discover are your customers' frustrations along their journey to buying a car? Congratulations, you have completed your 7th task. In this task, you identified your customer pain points and you plotted them on your map. In the next task, you will identify your customers' emotions at each stage of the journey and also plot them on your map.